Yeah, be like, let's get it, man. Uh, Talk about the cash and hide all the pain. I'm reaching my pocket, shit, I saw that cane. Go catch a brother, slipping like Kane. Cause it's job shit, man, they cutting it. And the school shit, man, they teaching shit, but to be employed, born to be a boss, bigger than Rick Ross. So fucking hungry, I can eat a horse. You throw money my way, I'ma catch like Morse. Play defense on me, hit him with a cross. Made these niggas jump, son, like the scrolls. Pushing work to the limit for your Ricky Ross. When you got lint in your pocket, if you got a rocket, you got a rocket. Yeah, like Aerosmith, I swear I cannot miss. I shoot like J.R. Smith with that full fifth. Benjamin's the only thing that I'm chasing. When I hit your boat, I swear it's amazing. Then I hit the blunt, yeah, bitch, I'm blazing. Then she shine in my knob, had it glazing. Yeah. I ain't the street nigga, I'm from the streets nigga. Cut a couple licks and we clap niggas. Black lives matter to no niggas. We bout that dollar, stacking up figures. Has God as my witness. I used to put in work with no distress. My team need green, we on your front steps. If you owe me green, leave you on God's front steps. My niggas carry guns with them long necks. All I really want is a couple checks. Better yet, give me all the fucking cash. Cause the work I got move quick than the flash. I want the ball retire like Steve Nash. My paws been itching like I got a rash. Yeah, give me all the cash, this stick up. Take a bitch, make a deep throw till she hiccup. When the money call, it's a must that I pick up. If I miss that call, right back to the stick up. Body in the river, tell the cost to pick up. Call up his mama, his body need a pickup. Identify that man with a tragic end. We set that nigga up, he thought we was a friend. Yeah, we took the cash, hit him with a dash. Try to fight back, nigga, that's your life. Take the L or never see your wife. They say take a chance, so I roll the dice. Don't really trust niggas cause these niggas nice. I'm all about money, all about cream. My niggas don't care your bitch for your team. My nine got a scoop in the fucking beam. Now run your pockets, nigga, give me green.